Hello. So today we're going to be doing kind of a battle boxes situation. I tried some stuff on from my Boxycharm box and my Ipsy bag for the month of December. And this is the look that, came out of it. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and you can give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's dive right in. Boxycharm, I just get the normal subscription, so I pay the $25 a month. Actually, it's a gift from my boyfriend for Christmas, so he pays the annual fee. The theme this month is whimsy, and it looks like that. And then, of course, everything's on the back for your convenience. The first thing I'm going to start with is the Elemis Pro Collagen Face Oil. So the Rose Facial Oil. So this retails for $79. Oh my god. It's supposed to be anti-aging. I didn't try this oh, it's so pretty. I didn't try it today because I'm not really a fan of using oils during the day because my skin is oily. So that looks so pretty. I'm going to open it and smell it and see if it smells like anything. Oh yeah. It smells like rose water. Massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. So you get 0.5 US fluid ounces. I wonder if this one is $79 or if there's a larger one. Because this for $79, I would be not paying that. Okay, the next thing in the box is the Aesthetica brush cleaner and conditioner. I actually need a brush cleaner, and you get 2.5 fluid ounces in here, so that's pretty cool. I didn't open this yet. I'll wait until I do my brushes, which is like never, but I'll wait and then use it then and see how I like it. This retails for $12, so that's pretty good. You get a good size for $12. Next thing in the box is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. And I've seen these on Instagram, but I've never tried them out. This is the Robin Hood palette, and it retails for $35. Now, when you look at it, it's obviously in a book shape. It looks really cute. But when you open it up, there's only 6 shades, and this entire thing is essentially wasted, like, packaging. It does come with a mirror. I haven't, here I need to, but the mirror looks okay. Yeah, the mirror is nice. It's a nice size. And it's very clear, and the colors are pretty. I obviously have the gold on my lid, if you can tell. It's a very, very bright gold. The shadows I worked with today worked really well. I did have a little bit of fallout. I'll insert a clip of me applying the eyeshadows for you, but other than a little bit of fallout, I think they blended really nicely. I like the look I came up with. It's very simple, but the gold, it's very pigmented. I think, it's wearable, but people are going to know you're wearing gold eyeshadow. You know what I mean? So yeah, I really did enjoy using this. It's just super bulky. I get the idea and it's cute. But it's just a little bit bulky. I kind of wish they made it a little bit smaller. It's just seems like a waste of packaging, but it is very cute. Next thing in the box, which I also used today, is the Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher, and this is in the shade Halo. So it looks like that. It is a little bit deeper, which I actually didn't mind at all. I don't think it was super illuminating. I have a ton of fallout from the glitters, but I think it looked really nice. I didn't think it was too deep for my skin tone, which this looks really, really deep to me. So I don't know how it would look on a deeper skin tone if I didn't feel like it was too deep for me, if that makes sense. I don't know if it would be even good for a deeper skin tone, but I did like it. I really like the packaging. It's so compact. It's less than the palm of my hand. But yeah, so I've seen a lot of people that theirs was broken, so I'm really happy that mine wasn't. This retails for $26, which I think is, that's an okay price, I think. And then the last thing in the box, which I also already used, and it's on my lips right now, is the Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Flirt, and it's by IBY Beauty. And it looks like this. The color reminds me of a ColourPop lippy I have. Hold on. I thought that this color reminded me of this one, but as I'm looking at them, this one is way more pinky darker, deeper kind of thing. This is the Dreamy Ultra Satin Lip. But yeah, so I really like that color. It dried a little bit darker, which I don't mind at all. I don't know if I would necessarily pair this lip and this eye look together, but I had to for the video. So yeah, that retails for $9. So the total for this month's box is $161. So that was a great value. Very happy with that. Let's move on to Ipsy. So Ipsy's bag this month, it came in this kind of like silver package type of thing. I saw someone on Twitter or on Instagram who was like, this month's Ipsy bags look like tinfoil, and I thought it was really funny. But it actually feels really nice. It's really soft, and I actually like it because it doesn't have a design, so you can't tell it's like an Ipsy bag. You could like still use it in your purse and no one would be like, oh, is that Ipsy? You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's this month's bag. And the theme for this month is Shine On, Shimmer, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. And then you have the little insert with the package description. So the first thing in the box is the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is the volumizing brow gel. I got the shade Neutral Deep Brown, which is 4.5, and I think it worked really well. I don't have anything else in my brows. It's just a little sample, guys, so it just looks like that. I have tried that before, and I do like it. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. The next thing in the box is the H2O Plus Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This is a water gel moisturizer, which I believe I picked this item, so you can like pick an item every month, and I believe I picked this because I do love a nice water moisturizer. So that was really nice. I had actually moisturized my face because I forgot this was in there, so I'm doubly moisturized right now, but I'm using a very matte foundation, so it should be fine. I feel like this worked really nicely. I liked it a lot. Next thing is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and this is in the shade Bryn. It's just their black, and it's just a sample, guy. I love this mascara. I use it all the time. I have a full size that they sent me. Definitely recommend checking them out. And I believe I forget if it's, I think it's if you buy, whatever one item you buy, they donate an item to like a woman's shelter or like a cancer survivor. So it is like for a good cause. Check them out. The next thing in the box, which I didn't end up using today, was this Space Case Cosmetics blush. And it's in the shade It's Not Me, It's My Sign. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I just wanted to use the Ciate one today. I'm actually going to swatch it. Ooh, it feels really like, ooh, it feels really nice. I swatched it in like a really weird place. You're not going to be able to see, but that's it right there. And I do enjoy that color, so I'll probably get some good use out of this. And the packaging is kind of like the Super Shock shadows where you like twist it off. But yeah, so that is that. And the last thing is from Colored Rain. This is the Focal Point Glow Lighter, and it's in the shade Selfie, which I really enjoyed this color. It might be just a little bit dark on my skin tone, but it's fine. But it's kind of like a gold. I feel like it was really, really nice on my skin, but yeah, it is a little bit deep for me, but I don't really mind. I can use it as an inner corner highlight. Oh, I should do that. I should put it on my inner corner. Look at that. So pretty. Do a little brow bone. Alright, so now we have a completed look. But yeah, so this is really pretty. I'll probably still use this. And that kind of concludes this video. So yeah, I definitely think, I mean, Ipsy had a lot of good products this month, so I kind of think I want to give it to Ipsy. I mean, I got a highlighter, I got a blush, I got a mascara, I got a brow thing. It's like almost a full face of makeup. Plus the moisturizer. Like I think Ipsy won this round. Let me know what you think down below. And yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.